parang hindi bumubuka yung bibig, but you can hear it very whole note, and the vocal was very distinctive. Oh! Ooh!
That is so
Grabe,
good.
the way that he's singing, hindi ko alam kung medyo kinabahan ba siya, kaya nag-normal voice siya, and then suddenly become Elvis Presley, and he What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for our action video for Jerome Ebardome for his performance in Eat Bulaga sa The Clones. Oo, at dahil meron nga silang concert, guys, finally, they're gonna have their concert on December 3rd, 2025. Naku, suportahan natin sila, guys. Kung nasa Pilipinas na ako, syempre, susuportahan natin at bibili tayo ng ticket. Pero ganitong suporta lang mabibigay natin to promote their concert on our reaction video. And of course, thank you so much sa nag-request ng video na ito. And before I proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True the Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Hey. Oh my God, hold on, guys. Is he using his normal vocal for this song? Parang medyo mahiyain pa si Jerome dito, ha? Oh! Ah, there, guys. So parang hindi ko alam kung normal vocal niya yung unang ginamit niya, and then it switched to Elvis Presley. Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Eh. Grabe, Pasko na sa Itbulaga, guys. Ang daming parol. Grabe, the way that he's singing, hindi ko alam kung medyo kinabahan ba siya, kaya nag-normal voice siya, and then suddenly become Elvis Presley, and he is like warming up, parang ganun yung nangyayari, but he's doing good. Grabe, guys, yung the way that Jerome is singing it, hindi ko alam, medyo ano ba siya, kinakabahan ba siya this time? Kasi parang wala siyang masyadong movement this time, and hindi siya nag-smile masyado, but the vocal is still nailing it. Grabe. Ooh,
That is so good.
iba yung ano, yung texture na ginamit niya doon, and the switching was so good. Ah, mga mami, oh. Grabe yung aha lang yung ginagawa niya, but parang hindi bumubuka yung bibig, but you can hear it very whole note, and the vocal was very distinctive. Ay, tapos na pala yun! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome singing Boulevard of Broken Dreams, aka Elvis Presley. Oh my God. Grabe, medyo ano lang, no? In my own opinion, guys, don't bash me, okay? So, napansin ko lang na parang medyo mahiyain si Jerome pag national TV. Pero yung mga nareacta natin ng live performance niya, nasa stage, talagang all out siya. So, hindi natin masyadong, ako, hindi ko siya naiintindihan kung nahihiya ba siya this time? Medyo kabado ba siya? But hindi mo mararamdaman yung kaba because the vocal was so good. And it's just that the start of the song, parang ginamit niya yung natural vocal niya, but and then it switched to Elvis, like nag-warm up lang siya, and then he still nailed the performance. Tapos medyo konti yung movements niya. Siguro that because baka yun yung ano, instruction sa kanila. But nonetheless, it was a good performance. He nailed it. And of course, support natin ang kanilang upcoming concert on December 3rd, 2025 sa Music Museum, guys. Buy your tickets now. Kung meron kayong link nung bilihan ng ticket, you can comment down below so we can have it in the description box para naman makasupport tayong lahat. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.